Hello, I'm Coach Francois, and today I want to talk about stress, what is sometimes referred to as leadership stress or executive stress. I prefer the term employment stress because although it is true that senior people make decisions that will be a lot more complex than what the ordinary worker will make, it's also true that every employed person has to manage transport to get to work, to get from work. Every employed person has got pressure to perform. Every employed person has got time limits to do whatever needs to be done. Every employed person tries to balance his or her private life and working life. And all those factors create stress. And it is interesting that a lot of people will take, not all people, but a lot of people take care of the physical side of their stress. They might go to the gym or they jog or do some form of exercise. But very few people take care of the emotional side of their stress. And that, of course, in the long run creates all sorts of problems. It can develop into a constant anxiety, it can develop into depression, it can develop into a form of not being motivated anymore to go to work. So there's a lot of things that can go wrong if you don't take care of the emotional impact of that stress have got on your daily work. And so it's interesting that people don't really make an effort to take care of that side of the effect of stress on their lives. So it's important that people must also start looking at taking care of the emotional and and even the spiritual side of the effect of stress on their lives. One of the advantages, of course, of that a person can do is uh, to enlist the services of a coach who can help him to uh, process the effect that stress has got on his central nervous system. So, for all the employed people out there, take care of yourselves, not only physically, but look at the emotional side of the impact of stress on your lives as well.